This is Fernando, and today we're going to be unboxing the DJI RS4 Mini, and we're going to be checking out the intelligent tracking system, which is right here at Best Buy. First things first, let's take a look at the box. DJI RS4 Mini Combo Pack, automated access lock. Then we got the features in the box. It includes the gimbal, the RS intelligent tracking module, RS4 Mini briefcase handle, RS4 Mini tripod, quick release plate. Open it up. Alright, so we got this first box. The instructions. We got the quick release plate, it looks like. And these are more pieces that go onto the gimbal itself. And there's the USB-C cable. The tracking module is in here. There's the more pieces. Looks like I'm gonna have to put this thing together like a puzzle. More USBs and some screw kits. And we got the gimbal itself. Okay, so according to the quick start guide, it does say to twist this thing on, then it says to charge it. Steps on the quick start guide. So far I've put the tripod on the bottom of the DJI, twisted it on. Step 3 is to open it. Step 2 looks like we're just charging it, which is the step that I'm on right here. And there's some other quick guides on how to set up every other aspect of it. See on the link, I don't see anything from my perspective, but let's see if you guys see anything when you see my face. Is there anything above here? Right here is where I see it typically on my footage, and I think it has to do with the ND filter. I'm assuming it's just dirty whenever I put it on there. But right now I just cleaned it real good, and now I'm going to test out the DJI RS4 AI transmitter to see if it follows me pretty good. So let's try it out. I'm going to just move it up a hair like this, just so I can be in the frame. Put it on the ground here. Alright, it should be following me now. So this is pretty much the DJI RS4 Mini, and it's a pretty cool device, in which great for solo creators like me. Allows me to put a heavier setup, slightly heavier setup than my Sony ZV-E10. In this case, I have the Sony FX30. And it's got a big old mic on top of it, so it works pretty well with the hot shoe. As you can see, no matter how far I go. Overall, the DJI RS4 Mini punches way above its weight class. It's portable, powerful, and with features like intelligent tracking, it's perfect for solo creators, whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or content creator. This is a solid addition. Here we go. Let me try it one more time. Now it's following me. So as you can see, it still follows me even if I look up. Now, should follow me around. Good way to exercise. That, my friends, is the DJI RS4 Mini.